just made it to the Paradizoo. This is kind of how it looks here, guys. Oh yeah, that's cool. Is Fifi ready? So guys, Fifi has a little boo-boo on her nose there. She hit her nose against something. Are you ready? Oh yeah. There's a lot of things to see here. The geese. Okay. You scared? You don't have to be scared, Peepa.
Yeah. See?
Where are they going? Hiding out.
Bye.
This is the prices right here, guys. Those are the activities. There you go. Should we go behind it, or is it good like that? Oh, okay. Hello, baby. Oh, look at this place. This is the Fowl family. Got ducks, turkeys, chickens, goose, and pigeons. She's scared. All right, that's right. They give it to Peepa. Feed them. Go ahead, baby. No, you can do it. There you go. You got it, baby. Come here, Peepa. Okay, come here. Okay, baby. Okay. This way? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Give some other ones too. Share it. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Okay, give more. They're still hungry. Look at them. They're hungry. There you go. Okay, that's it. Guys, go up there.
Huh?
Watch the tire. Go ahead, go up there.
Yeah.
All right. One there, there. See, they have some too.
Ah!
Come on, donkeys.
Donkeys!
But they have a lot already. Maybe we should find some that doesn't have any. There, you feed them like that. Gonna get another one by one. Look at that.
Wait, I just
Fish eating, huh?
You want food, huh? Wala na food.
Mm-hmm. Wait till he's finished, okay? So.
Oh!
There you go.
Dad.
Got it?
Got it.
Nice.
Oh!
Let's wait till they're finished.
Here you go. Good job, donkey.
Good job, donkeys.
Donkey.
No, this one. Oh, the bunnies. The bunnies. You have to give those to the. We have to give the carrots to the bunnies. Go with mommy. I'm gonna follow you guys. You're gonna feed the bunnies now.
Oh no, that's more food.
Yeah, those are the goats. The goats on the left there, guys. We're gonna feed the bunnies some carrots. Hey, no, not there. Not there. See the, there you go. They might be full already. Try this white one over here, people.
Go.
Uh-oh.
The white one.
The white one.
Oh.
There you go. You did it. See?
She's hungry right now. I'm feeding right
Look at this one right here.
now.
Look at this one. Oh, that's, we need to, you got it? They painted these little chicks.
They have different colors.
See if you can look at them over here. Oh, look at them.
What?
That's cute, huh? So this is the bunny cage here. This is all the bunnies right here. This is the goat here, guys. Look at this guy. Sorry, you have a lot of food there already. You got food there already, buddy. Look at all of them. See that? They're hangry. This is a 5-legged bull. Check this guy out, guys. 5 legs this guy has. See, guys? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. That's cool, huh? 5-legged bull here.
Yes.
Guy's hungry.
She already food already.
Yep.
That is good.
Look at all his poop there, too. Don't touch that. All right, let's go. Follow mommy. This right here is the, I think there's a flower garden here. I don't know if this is going to be too interesting, but we'll check it out. We are going into the flower garden.
Wow.
Let's check this out here.
So beautiful.
Oh yeah. I should take a picture here too, huh? Okay guys, here you go.
Dragon fruit. Here, the dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. I don't see any dragon fruit though. All I know is the mosquitoes are getting me. There's some bamboo trees. Is this bamboo?
Yeah.
I think it's bamboo. Okay, let's go over
There
here.
was that over there.
Oh, that's just dirty water. That's supposed to be the basura there. All right, we got some steps here. Be careful. Let's come on up here, guys. Checking out the flower garden.
Oh, you get Santa,
Cool.
Daddy.
Santa's over there? All right, we gotta take a picture then. Santa Claus over here. Oh, look. People's at the gingerbread house. Is this your house? Can I come in? No? No boys allowed, huh? Let me just say hi to the gingerbread family. Hello there. Okay. Phoebe's going.
Let's
Go,
go.
go, go.
On the garden here.
Come here, Phoebe.
Wow! Look at those orange flowers.
Oh yeah. Look if. Yes, you want to show you guys these orange flowers here.
And the pink
Nice.
flowers.
I just want to make sure Fifi doesn't fall down here.
Fifi. Oh. Daddy, come on.
I'm coming. Whoa, okay, slow down there. It goes downhill here. You watch that girl there.
Come on, Daddy.
Oh yeah, you want to take a picture right here? No, just want to look at it. There's more flowers over here. Picture spot over here.
Oh, they have a big tree over there.
Oh yeah.
With the boat
This
in
one
there,
here.
the flowers.
That's what this place is. That's why you see a lot of flowers, Bipa. Flower garden. Hi, Fifi. You gotta watch her when she's going downhill. Hi, Fifi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look at that big Jeep over here, Daddy.
She's getting her getting her steps in. You gotta. It's uneven here.
Daddy, look, I got the big
You okay,
Jeep.
Fifi?
The end.
Are we gonna take a picture right here? A reindeer. Oh, we can go inside too. Go inside. Watch out! Don't hit it too hard. You're gonna fly away. Go inside. Snow White over there.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Okay. There's sunflowers right here, guys. That's sunflowers. You guys having fun? Here we go. Yeah, look at them. That's cool. Oh, look at this carabao. You ready to take a picture with the carabao? Here we go. I got these pictures here. People's gonna show it to us. Show it to us one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Fifi. Walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Uh-oh, watch her. She's going downhill. Going to the butterfly garden here. Let's go check out the butterflies, people. I'll follow you. Okay, careful, okay? We're gonna check out the butterfly garden. Let's go. My baby wanted a toy, huh? She wanted me to carry her, guys. And I told her that if she wants a toy, she has to get to walking. So she went running, guys. What is that? That is, her umbrella is, oh, Haven Pet Cemetery. See that, guys? Let's go and check it out. All right, Pet Cemetery. Whoa, all the Kawawa pets. Let's see. Ooh, there's Rambo here. Let's see. There's Rambo.
Rambo.
There's Chaz.
Chaz.
Oh, there's Marco.
Marco.
There's Polo.
Polo. Daddy.
All of them. Guys, this is Noah's Ark. If you guys were ever wondering where this place was, well, we found it, guys. It's right here in the Philippines, Noah's Ark. It's no secret. You thought it was hidden. Here it is. Hey, let's go inside. Let's go inside, people. Wow, so this is how it was inside Noah's Ark here. All the animals, the giraffes, birds, people, babies, dogs, cats. We're all in here, guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
What we have here? Uh-oh. Throwing the basura there. This is like going through Jurassic Park. Gotta watch out, guys. You don't want any wild animals shooting out and attacking us. Like those animals on the left here that were coming up to the left. Can you go that way? Look at these girls. They are risk takers. Oh, what do we have here? Okay, so oh, these are greyhound dogs. They have greyhound dogs here. Wow. Let's check out these greyhound dogs. Whoa, let's see. Oh my goodness, he just popped out in front of me. Look at this greyhound dog. Oh, hey. Hey, buddy. Wow, oh wow, look at that other greyhound dog there. I don't know if they're eating very well here, guys. Look at this one. His legs shaking and everything. Whoa. Well, and then that is definitely not a greyhound dog right there. Look at the piglets here, guys. They got some piglets here. What's up, piglets? What's up? What's up, buddy? Okay, you ready? Got more over here? Whoa. Look at this guy right here. You sound like I sleep. You sound like I sleep. Look at his teeth. Go ahead, make those noises. Oink, oink. That's so cool. The backside here, guys. They want some food. Here are the turkeys. Look at that turkey. He escaped. That's an escaped prisoner. Boy, you better watch out. I'm gonna come around here for Thanksgiving. Uh-oh, he's about to attack me. I better get on out of here. This is the silky chicken, other known as the Gullis Gullis. Gullis Gullis. Let's see if it looks like the silky chicken. Now the little ones look like silky chicken a lot more than the big ones. What's up, little ones? You guys look so sad. It says the life cycle of the chicken. It first says mating. Is that right? Hen lays eggs, embryo, hatchling, chicken becomes an adult, and then they have that picture in there, huh?
Come on, Daddy.
Mating.
Dad, look over here.
These dinosaurs.
It's the rabbit.
Oh, dinosaur bunnies. No, they're so cute, huh?
Randall.
Be careful when you're going over this bridge here. We're going over the Brooklyn Bridge here, guys. I bet you guys didn't know they had one in the Philippines, did you? Nope. Oh, this is the white guinea fowl. Let's see if we can see him up close and personal. Yeah.
So cute. You're so cute, Daddy.
Let's see what else we got here.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Got a feather, huh? Let's go. Now, those are ducks right there on the right. See, the other ones that you were looking at were geese. These are ducks. Let's see if I'm right. This is a Peking duck. This is what we see at the Chinese restaurants. And then, I might be wrong. This is the Muscovy duck. Right over here, guys. Yep. And I think we're coming up on some dogs, because I see a dog in a cage. Which, what does that say? Oh, this is a Labrador. They have a Labrador here at the zoo. Look, it says, "Hi, I'm Prado. I'm happy and jolly Labrador." Are you happy? You would rather be playing outside, huh, than being locked up in a cage like this, huh? I hear you, buddy. I hear you, buddy. I hear you.
Dad, come on right here.
I wish you could come out with us. All right. Bye-bye, Prado. Here, guys, we have it says Rusa deer. Is that Rusa deer? So let's see. Let's see how it looks over here. Wow. That's the Rusa deer. Tell you what, guys, they don't look too happy here, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Are bigger than famous.
Thank you, Mommy, for reading that for us. Oh, I know. You don't want to go in there. That is poop in its natural habitat. All right, so we got more chickens over here, guys. I think this is the end of the road.
What's this?
That says the mushroom house. They grow some mushrooms there.
I want to go to mushrooms.
Looks like it's closed. I don't know. Maybe we can. Let's go check it out. Let's open the door. Let's go off the beaten path. Oh, I think it's locked. Can't go in there. The manok. The manok. Chicken. All right. And guys, they have a Paradizoo cafe right here. A little gift shop in there. You can see it. I'm sure people is gonna want to get something in there. Here we go. This is what people want to do. A little playground, so they got a seesaw here, some swings, and then they have some house there. I see you. You swinging there, huh? Cool. You want to go on the slide? Does it look safe? Let's check it out. So we're just playing in the playground here. This looks like a little small pool. Oh, it's a fish spa. This was a fish spa. Yeah. That's for your feet. Takes all the fungus from your feet, I think. Oh, look, there's accommodations here. A little bar right over there. And then we're gonna play here and I guess take off. Maybe go to the next destination. Careful, okay? Woo! Nice. I don't know. Whoa! Do it the other way, so I want to see her face. Go ahead, do it again. Look at this girl. Whoa, she's doing pull-ups, chin-ups. I can't believe my baby's so strong. That's why they call her Spider Woman.
One more, be back.
One more. Mommy's gonna take a picture of you. How about you, Fifi? Whoa, look at this girl. Strong. All right, that's all, folks. Shop. Just a bunch of stuffed animals. You see something you like? It says, I love you.
I want to. Dad, that red here.
You want that one?
Red.
You want that one? How much is that? That one is, I can't see. Oh, she put that away and she wants ice cream. Okay, go get what you want.
Yeah.
Can you open it? Let's see. Oops. Oh, it's locked. Okay, get it. That's what you want? Watermelon popsicle. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go, guys. That's all, folks. You got a panda, so people got a panda, and Fifi got a piggy. They all picked it themselves. Did you have fun at the zoo?
Yeah.
Is it the best zoo ever?
later we get a different view.
Okay. There's the ostrich right here. Look at the ostrich. Wow. There's the ostrich, and then Peepa's about to ride that little miniature horse there. You ready to ride the horse, Peepa? All right, let's go. All right, Peepa's gonna ride the horse, the mini horse. Wow. Hold it. Have fun. Whoa. First time riding a horse. Peepa's riding a horse. Man, that's cool, huh? That is so cool. Hi, Peepa. Look at her. Let's go see what Peepa's up to here. How's that horse? You having fun? Wow. Good job, baby. Oh, she dropped her thing. I got it. Oh. Good job, baby. Say thank you. There's an ostrich. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Okay. Thank you, sir.
I like the white and the big one.
Did you like it?
I like the big one too.
Oh, the big one's too big for you. You just have to ride on the small one. Let's go. That was cool.